Hi guys, it's Zippo Trucker again, and today I got something new for you because I fixed my Heineken Zippo. If you don't know how I fixed what was wrong with it, I'll put a link up here, here, my finger is, and I will show you what was wrong with it because I bought it. It was pretty cheap. I bought it off some guy. And guys, I fixed it. You see, it clicks again. And basically what was wrong with it? It had nothing to do with the insert, but the insert was broken anyway, so I got a new one. Sparks pretty good. I discovered that this thing here, this was to the inside, was bended over here. Bended over there. So I compared it with my Zippo that does click, and I discovered, hey, this thing is bended over here. So it also was pretty tough to open and pretty tough to close. So I picked my needle nose pliers. I hold it down and tweezed it and bended it over that way, that way, this way, and now it works perfectly again. I matched it up with a Zippo I always use, just not the same sound, same yeah, same thing. So now actually I know how to fix all Zippo's problems. I know how to clean it. I know how to fix the sound. I know how to fix the flint wheel. I know how to fix the cam. I know how to replace the wick. I know how to replace the cotton. I know how to replace the flint. Of course, every dumbass knows how to replace a flint, but yeah, okay. I know how to replace the felt. Actually, I know pretty much about Zippos now. So that's pretty cool. I can really see my progress with Zippos now. Now I have 15 Zippos. I started with 1. So my Zippo collection grew pretty fast, and I expect Zippos tomorrow on my party, and I expect Zippos to come, you know, my Rizla Zippo and my Windy Zippo. So guys, hope you like this video. Don't forget to sub right here, I think, right here, the yellow button, click it, click it, click it, click it, click it. Maybe you win a prize, you know, if you're my 100th subscriber, you will get something cool. And maybe, yeah, if someone delivers me a few subscribers, I would like that too, you know. I will, yeah, certainly get you something. So guys, hope you like this video about my fixed Heineken Zippo. Tomorrow will be my party, so I think I will make a few videos there. Maybe make a video about maybe the money that I got. Now guys, I want to ask you something. What should I do with the money that I got for my birthday? Buy a couple of Zippos, buy some cool stuff. Please guys, answer me, and yeah, that will be cool. So bye guys, hope you liked the video. See you next time.